According to Dr. Joseph Murphy, just before sleep, 2 words can reprogram your subconscious mind for wealth and success. Skeptical? This straightforward yet mighty ritual requires no visualization, affirmations, or strenuous effort. By imprinting these transformative words on your subconscious nightly, you can unleash your innate power and attract the abundance you deserve. Intrigued? Keep watching and uncover the effortless secret to wealth and prosperity. If the idea of transforming your financial situation by repeating 2 words nightly seems too good to be true, I completely understand your skepticism. However, renowned author Joseph Murphy insists that this simple ritual can reprogram your subconscious mind, aligning you with the wealth and success you desire. In his best-selling book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, Murphy reveals the incredible power of the subconscious and how imprinting certain concepts before sleep can work miracles in one's life. Programming your mind to believe wealth and prosperity are inevitable can become a self-fulfilling prophecy. So, what are these magical words that can serve as financial affirmations without any visualization or conscious effort on your part? Keep watching as I reveal the 2 simple words Murphy recommends repeating nightly, along with an explanation of how and why this practice works. The 2 words are wealth and success. The ritual harnesses the power of the subconscious mind right before sleep. When your conscious mind becomes less active and your subconscious becomes more receptive to programming. By repeating wealth and success as you fall asleep, you imprint these concepts directly into your subconscious. This reprograms your subconscious to believe, expect, and feel that wealth and success are inevitable for you. Murphy explains that the subconscious mind cannot distinguish between real or imagined experiences. By verbalizing wealth and success repeatedly, you convince the more impressionable subconscious that this is your reality, even if your current circumstances reflect otherwise. Your subconscious then works to transform this new programming into tangible outcomes, attracting people, resources, opportunities, and income streams aligned with wealth and success. How does it accomplish this? According to Murphy, your subconscious mind is connected to universal consciousness, an infinite field of potentiality and creativity. Once programmed, it can transmit your desires to this universal consciousness, which will conspire to manifest your new beliefs. Your subconscious compels you to take actions aligned with wealth, brings up creative ideas, hunches, and coincidences that open up financial opportunities, and makes you more magnetic and attractive to prosperity. The short nightly ritual reprograms your subconscious, which then leverages the infinite power of universal consciousness to transform your financial life miraculously. The key is consistency. To ingrain new patterns, be patient but persistent. Over time, you will begin to see positive shifts, opening you up to greater abundance. Many people remain trapped in financial scarcity due to ingrained thought patterns, words, and emotions that reinforce lack and limitation. For example, habitual thoughts like, "Money is hard to come by," or "People like me don't succeed," program the subconscious with scarcity, making it a self-fulfilling prophecy. Murphy's antidote is to consciously override the scarcity mentality. First, become aware of your habitual thoughts, words, and feelings around money. Second, consciously begin thinking, speaking, and feeling prosperity for yourself and others. Wish financial freedom and abundance for everyone, even those more successful than you. This may feel forced at first, but over time, You reprogram the subconscious by consistently feeding it new patterns. This neutralizes subconscious blocks, dissolves bitterness, and tunes you into a positive frequency where you can finally allow wealth into your life. The nightly wealth success ritual accelerates this process by imprinting prosperity directly into the subconscious. Your external world will soon mirror your new internal programming. Be patient but consistent. This 1-2 punch reprograms your subconscious with abundance and compassion, rewriting your financial story. Soon, your subconscious starts aligning you with wealth through intuition, inspiration, and helpful people. Previous money blocks dissolve, new income streams open up from unexpected sources, and wealth flows to you as you learn to circulate prosperity energy to others. Let me share my personal example. I was stuck in a scarcity mentality for years, feeling financial success was unattainable. Desperate for a solution, I tried Joseph Murphy's nightly ritual, murmuring wealth and success before sleep. Though skeptical, I persisted. Within weeks, unexpected lucrative opportunities came my way, transforming my lack into excitement and gratitude. My income doubled, and I realized the secret was imprinting the seeds of wealth and success into my subconscious nightly. This ritual dissolved my money blocks and opened me up to prosperity. Consistency brought results, even when it seemed fruitless. The simple yet profoundly effective nightly ritual for wealth and abundance recommended by Joseph Murphy is here. Repeat the words, wealth and success, before sleep. Reshape your financial reality by imprinting prosperity into your subconscious mind. It may seem basic, but consistency is key. Overwrite old programming and limiting beliefs. Start tonight and commit to this effortless practice for at least a month. Over time, you'll notice exciting new opportunities and income streams flowing your way. The power lies within you. Unlock it with these 2 magic words and remove all barriers between you and the wealth you deserve. If you found this advice helpful, explore my other videos on manifesting mindset and Joseph Murphy's teachings. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching.